Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. We are knee deep in 31 days of Flutieween right now, and I'm so tired that I'm becoming delirious, so it's all good. It's all good, guys. Anyways, today we have a special one in partnership with Milani, who I did the campaign for their alter ego campaign for Halloween, which I'm super honored. And I did a look before with the Nightmare palette, but today I'm doing one with the Fairy Tale palette, so it's a little more glam than usual. I thought I would have a little bit of fun and make it a little spooky, even though it's supposed to be fairy tale, but you know, I have to add my twist to it, so you'll see in a second. But if you want to see a little spooky fairy / devil thing, then keep watching. But before we jump into it, please give this video a like, please subscribe, we're almost to 1,000, and please turn on your notifications, and let's just jump into it. Alright, first things first, we gotta glue down the eyebrows. When do we not? I just don't like eyebrows, I guess. So I'm kind of mapping out where I want to put the horns. I made these out of Model Magic from Crayola. It's pretty easy to work with. I mean, it is for kids, I think. Just putting some foundation, then I decided I needed to cover the color of the brows, so just using some peach concealer, just covering that up, and then using the Milani concealer. This is a really thick concealer, it really covers them. Just make sure you powder it a lot. See, that was literally one layer and they're covered already. So now I'm just taking some spirit gum and putting it where I'm gonna put the horns. And then I wanted the horns to look like they're like popping out of the skin, so I'm taking some scar wax and just using that, smoothing it down. These were giving me so much trouble. They were falling off like the entire time, guys. Just make sure you powder that scar wax so good. Now we're using the Fairy Tale palette. This is such a beautiful palette from Milani, from their Alter Ego collection. Just using that hot pink shade. I really wanted that to be like the theme of the look. Now this is like a shiny, shimmery blush color that I thought was super beautiful. And then just blending that hot pink shade again. Now this Enchanted shade is like a dark purple shimmer. I love this one. And then Boot Up. I love that name. Just trying to bring a little pop to the inner corner of that. I'm taking that hot pink shade again and just rubbing it all over the horns. And then this Sugar Deady color is like, I want it to be like a bronzer highlight type thing on the horns and everything. Now the Shimmer Lipstick in Squad Ghouls. I love this color. Just gotta line those lips first. This is so pigmented. It was insane. Now the lip gloss. I am wearing the other lip gloss right now, actually. Then I wanted some more white on the lid. I wanted it to pop a little bit more. And then white lashes. The Eldora ones, the best ever. And then, like I said, I can't just have this be like a cute fairy look, so I wanted her to be dripping black. I don't know why, I just did. Last minute decision, because I just can't handle it not being spooky, I guess. And then the classic neck drips that I love to do, of course. Then I popped in some black contacts, and there you guys go. It seriously was such a simple look, but this Fairy Tale palette is so beautiful. I feel like you guys could do lots of different looks with this. I really hope you guys liked this one, and thank you Milani for having me in the campaign in the first place. It's seriously such an honor. And if you guys haven't, you can go to Walmart and check out my face on the display. It's so crazy. But if you want to see the picture of this and all my other days of Flutieween, check out my Instagram. I have everything on there. If you want to see some cool TikToks, go check out my TikTok, obviously. So yeah, we're almost to 1,000 subscribers. I really want to hit 1,000 before this month is up. So please just give this video a like. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications. You don't want to miss anything. You guys mean so much to me, and I really appreciate everyone that's already subscribed. We're so close to 1,000, guys. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.